their work. But we should let our government agencies do their work freely, independently, with transparency, with honesty. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko kasi ayoko makialam sa trabaho ng executive.
I think it's also important for the people to understand the difference between the proceedings in DOJ at yung ginagawa ho natin sa Kongreso. Una sa DOJ po, ito'y separate na proseso po ng ekutibo involving the criminal liability ng mga ng Vice President. Yun po ay iba po sa proseso na pinagdadaanan naman sa mababang kulungan, which is impeachment, which is a political legislative procedure, no? Political legal procedure. In fact, we want to highlight also na ang trabaho din ng House is simply to impeach. Hindi rin kami ang magko-convict. Ang magko-convict po noon ay ang Senado.